So here I'm going to explain how to complete the weather project. You're looking at the spreadsheet that you have a hard copy of, and I will now show you the website to use and how to navigate through to get the information you need for the spreadsheet. So the first thing you want to do is go to a website called timeanddate.com. And once you do that, the first place that you want to click is weather right here. So once you click on weather, you'll come to a page where in the search box you're going to want to type in the city that you've been assigned, and in this case I've already gone ahead and typed in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and so the screen that comes up will look like this. And what you want to do is click on 14-day forecast right here. So click that. And once you click 14-day forecast, the screen will look like this. And if you just scroll down a little bit from here, you'll come to a grid that looks like this. This grid has all of the information you need to fill out the spreadsheet. So as an example, let's go ahead and fill some of that spreadsheet out. Remember, we're starting with Tuesday's weather, which is right here. Okay. And so I can see that there is a low and high temperature indicated here. 42 for the high, 26 for the low. And that's what I'll put in, 42. 26. So minutes of sunlight we'll get to in a little bit because that's a little bit of a calculation. And so we'll skip that for right now and get to wind speed. So let's find wind speed, and that is going to be right here under wind, 7 miles per hour. So we'll just put 7 there. Humidity is here. It looks like 41%. And then the UV index rating, I can find that here, is 3. Okay, and so that is how you find all of the stats, except minutes for sunlight. Now let's get to that real quick. Minutes of sunlight, you're going to have to do some subtraction here, and I'll show you what to do real quick. Okay, so look for sunrise and sunset, that's right here, and here are your times. It's 7:04 and 5:25. So on a separate sheet of paper, we're going to do the math for that. So we need to go from 7:04 to 5:25. So let's figure how many minutes that would be. First, let's check the hours. If we round to 8, and if we round the first time to 8, and you'll know why in a minute, and then round the second time to 5, we can get some sort of sense of the hours, right? So from 8 to noon, that's 12, that's 4 hours. And then from noon to 5, that's another 5 hours. Okay. So then we have to account for the rounding we just did, the rounding up for the first time, for the beginning time, the sunrise time, and the rounding down for the sunset time. So we have to add minutes in. And so from 7:04 until 8 o'clock, that's 56 minutes. Okay, so that's plus 56 minutes. And then we have 25 here. So 25 minutes. So all in all, we have these 9 hours plus 56 minutes plus 25 minutes. And 56 plus 25 is 81 minutes. Okay. 56 plus 25, that's 81. All right, so we have 9 hours and 81 minutes. So in order to get it all into minutes, we just take the 9 and times it by 60 minutes, of course, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. As you know, 9 times 6 is 54. So this is 540 minutes. And now we just add the 540 and the 81. So 621 minutes of sunlight. Go back in. There we go. 6:21.